I won't be round this old town, hitting more for a long, long time. Gonna hit the road, start looking for the end of that long white line. Gonna hit the road, start looking for the end of that long white line. Well, I woke up, my baby was gone. Without her, don't need no home. Gonna hit the road, start looking for the end of that long white line. Gonna hit the road, start looking for the end of that long white line. Went to the bank, get my dough. I don't care where I go. Gonna push that rig till I push that girl out of my mind. If somebody wants to know what's become of this so-and-so, tell them I'm somewhere looking for the end of that long white line. Tell them I'm somewhere looking for the end of that long white line. New York City, old St. Joe, Albuquerque, New Mexico. This old rig is humming and rolling, she's doing fine. If somebody wants to know what's become of this so-and-so, tell them I'm somewhere looking for the end of that long white line. Tell them I'm somewhere looking for the end of that long white line. Come on now. This old rig is humming and rolling, she's doing fine. If somebody wants to know what's become of this so-and-so, tell them I'm somewhere looking for the end of that long white line. Tell them I'm somewhere looking for the end of that long white line. I won't be round this old town, hitting more for a long, long time. Gonna hit the road, start looking for the end of that long white line. Tell them I'm somewhere looking for the end of that long white line.
It's Nose of the Grindstone.
Daddy worked like a mule mining Pike County coal. He fucked up his back and couldn't work anymore. He said, one of these days you'll get out of these hills. Keep your nose on the grindstone and out of the pills. See, the ways of this world will just bring you to tears. Keep the Lord in your heart and you'll have nothing to fear. Live the best that that you can, and don't lie and don't steal. Keep your nose on the grindstone and out of the pills. Well, Daddy, I've been trying, I just can't catch a break. There's too much in this world that I can't seem to shake. But I remember your words, Lord, they bring me to chills. Keep your nose on the grindstone and out of the hills. Keep in mind that a man's just as good as his word. It takes twice as long to build bridges you burn, and there's hurt you can cause time alone cannot heal. Keep your nose on the grindstone and out of the hills. Daddy, I've been trying, I just can't catch a break. There's too much in this world, can't seem to shake. But I remember your words, Lord, they bring me to chills. Keep your nose on the grindstone and out of the hills. Keep your nose on the grindstone.
Me and Big Dave were just trying to stay upright. We were chasing white lines and warping our minds last night. We were killing the time, though we sure didn't know it. Hunting down rhymes with Kentucky poet. Me and Big Dave were just trying to stay alive. There's some folks around town that might cuss our names down to the floor. They might claim that we're loners, no account stoners, and it's the same kind of people who claim to be chosen. Their ears made of stone and their tongues made of poison. The doctrine they preach has got nothing that they can teach me. Well, I don't know if Dave hates the same kind of hate that I do. He knows that I know that he's been cut down by it too. Well, people get talking about the things that we uses. I ain't in the business of making excuses. Me and Big Dave were just trying to stay alive. This whole world's full of ghosts, but I believe that most folks can't see the particular demons that reason with Big Dave and me. Don't cross him, no boss him, he's wild in his sorrow, he's riding, hiding his pain. Don't fight him, don't spite him, wait till tomorrow, maybe he'll ride on again. Good deal.